Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to talk briefly about the various sort of sectors within the market and how perhaps that can give you an idea as to which stocks to follow because the sector that is doing well means that stocks in that sector are trending well. So you could use it for two purposes. First is to actually trade these sectors because they are ETFs or exchange traded funds that correspond to the sectors. And it's easy to trade these ETFs, these sectoral ETFs, because the movement is not so rapid. So you can actually manage your loss or your gain better or have a bit more control trading sectoral ETFs. But two, maybe more importantly, you can see those sectors that do well, and you can then check for stocks in those sectors and see perhaps there is a stock there that might have proper setting for you to consider entering. So let's review those sectors quickly. The first one is SLC, which is a ticker for the communication sector of the market. And as you can see here, this is a daily chart. In the last few days, it's been trending quite up. In the last 1 week, perhaps, if we do this real quick, it has ticked up about 2% or thereabout. That's not bad. You can then compare this sector, the communication sector, with another popular sector, the technology sector. I can see it's almost the same in terms of performance, roughly. And again, no surprises here because the communication sector and the tech sector in the market has almost a quite similar composition in terms of stocks. Let's look at another sector that is could be interesting, the health sector. So ticker SLV. You can see compared to the other sector, it's not really trending in the right direction. As you can see, you can say it's tanking. In the last few days, it's been in a choppy sideways movement. What does that tell you? The stocks in this sector is not necessarily doing bad, but it's just to tick upward. So it's a sector to watch, for possible movement either up or down. Let's look at another sector. Another important sector is a material sector. Again, very different from the tech sector and the communications sector, because you can see it's also sort of a choppy sideways movement. Perhaps you can go to another sector, SLP, which is the consumer staples, where you have companies that deals with consumer household goods. Again, very choppy. No resolution one way or the other, but in a sideways movement. So these are this gives you an idea, or it gives you a picture clearly which sector is doing what. And as you can see, in the last 1 week at least, it is the comms sector and the tech sector that seems to have any sort of movement. Let's see again. Another sector, the industrial sector. This is again almost choppy. It was about to go downwards, but it's still holding up there. And you can see that again, it's not going up. What does that tell you? Like I said, you can use this to decide what sort of stocks you want to look at. So if you do your screening and you see that, let's say 5 stocks, you might likely want to stick with stocks in the comm sector and in the tech sector in the coming week. While, of course, you know, looking to see, for instance, what happens with the health sector, because, you know, it's really in a choppy move. I hope this has been useful. I will see you next time with another interesting video. Thank you, and do stay tuned.